It's raining again. Wait, hold on. Yeah, it's raining again. Yeah. Good video about rain. Right? People are looking at me because I'm talking to you guys. You guys don't know. So yeah, I'm talking to myself and to you guys about another raining day. Pure, good content. Good content. My hair is wet. My phone's wet. It's all wet. Even my socks. Oh god. Okay. Well, I gotta hurry up because no school. Oh my god. Look at my hand. Well, I can't really see it. It's really dumb, but it's so wet. So wet. It's just that's it. It's rainy day part 3. It's wet. That's it. Okay, that's all I have to say. Okay, well, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I got a picture that looks really weird. Something I don't know. It's wet. I have no umbrella. I thought it was not gonna rain. And also, I want to show you something. Hold on. Wait, I want to show you guys something. I know you guys can't see my face, but I don't care. Wait, there we go. There we go. Okay, well, hold on. I found this in art class the other day. Nah, wait. Please don't leave. Please don't leave. No. It is right here. Where's the butt cheek? Okay, wait. I'm about to show you. He did not give it back. I just realized that he did not give it back. Okay, well, my friend, or YouTube's friend, well, yeah, real life friend, David, check him out, okay? He does Fortnite videos, which I hate because I'm a PUBG player for life. He took a mask. Wait, hold on. I'm so sorry. There we go. Okay. He took a mask I found in art class. I want to show you guys, but he took it. Yeah, I don't know where I'm supposed to be walking to. I'm completely lost. So, And also, I'm gonna save it till tomorrow, like, for the actual video. And just puddles. I'm soaking wet. Like, it's just like my socks. Like sometimes like the rain like gets on a specific spot on my shoes. But bye.